Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how to pair Bluetooth speaker to our techno phone guys. Guys you want to pair guys any Bluetooth speaker with your phone, so guys how can you pair? In this video I will show you friends. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you if you're new in my channel, so friends, first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon, like my video friends. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to pair your Bluetooth speaker, and guys on your speaker, and guys in your speaker guys you can see guys this Bluetooth icon. So friends, press on Bluetooth icon, then guys it will pair, otherwise not. Then guys you can see your more connection setting in your techno phone guys, click on your Bluetooth setting friends, and guys we will enable our Bluetooth to pair. Then I refresh it. Then guys you can see your speaker name. So guys I have get the JBL speaker. I will tap here to pair. Then guys you can see it's pairing. So we will wait for like 4 and 5 seconds to pair. Then guys you can see active, and guys you can see the sound means guys it has paired, and guys now we can use it while listening song like that. You can use your speaker. So I hope friends you have understood how to pair Bluetooth speaker in techno phones. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye friends.